If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to check out these trending hair transformations. So the first up, we see someone in the barber's chair. It looks like they are getting a very close fade of some sort. So they do have kind of like a pixie cut at the top portion of the hair. So he's going in with the razor, the clippers, and he is really, he is going in with the razor. So he is doing a very close shave with this one. It looks kind of like he's getting, or she's getting like a faded cut, a very low cut fade, I would say. So the next transformation is going to be of a color one. This one does feature what looks like kind of ombre colored hair. So she has darker hair at the top and then lighter at the bottom. We don't really see too much ombre nowadays. If you guys have noticed, ombre is kind of just fallen under the radar. And then next up, we see a gorgeous kind of silver toned hair. So she is using that like sponging technique with this one, and she's pretty much stamping in this gorgeous kind of like rainbow shade. Looks like it has blue, pink, green, yellow, and she's just stamping that throughout the hair. She does have beautiful bangs with this, blunt bangs, and a gorgeous bob shape as well. Oh, wow, that looks so beautiful. I love the iridescentness of the stamped colored hair. That is gorgeous. And then next up, we see a haircut transformation. So she started off with very long hair. It looks like she cut it into more of a bob shape. So she is cutting the hair, the back portion. So it looks like she might be getting like a stacked bob of some sort. Oh, actually I would classify this more of a pixie cut. So she went really short. Her hair was like down her back before, and now she is rocking a gorgeous pixie. All right, so next up we see a color transformation. So she's getting lilac hair. Oh, she has a money piece highlight. It's so pretty. And then moving into the next one, so it looks like she is getting those micro links added. So she flat ironed the hair. Wow, these reels are really fast. Okay, I'm gonna have to talk faster. So next up, looks like we see a bob transformation. So the stylist is really just cutting that hair. She started off at like mid back, and she now has hair like around neck length or so. Hair has been kept all black. I'm thinking she's probably gonna get like an angled bob. Her hair looks so healthy and pretty. That's what usually happens when you have a client that has darker hair. The hair usually looks so healthy. All right, so the stylist is, oh, this is gorgeous. Stunning bob with the middle part going down the center. Gorgeous. And then here we see an undercut transformation. So she is keeping the hair long at the top of the hair, and then she has the shaven bottom. And then next up, looks like we see a silk press. That is basically when you flat iron the hair. When you have textured hair and the hair is flat ironed, it is called silk press. So she has kind of like very dark roots with this. Kind of looks like a new aged ombre. So next up, we move into this bob haircut lob shape, and then that is transformed into more of another colored lob. So she did cut the hair a little bit, and she also got highlights and kind of that ombre look. I would say this is more like bleach coloring. Soft waves were added. Overall, very simplistic kind of 2022 hair vibes with this one. Simple everyday look, nothing too dramatic. Alright you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these transformations with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a big like as well as subscribe for more.